Hey guys, today I want to explain what is the 25th Amendment to the United States Constitution. The 25th Amendment allows for the Vice President to become President in the event of death, resignation, removal from office, or impairment that prevents the current President from fulfilling his or her duties. Here is the 25th Amendment history and who made the 25th Amendment. The 25th Amendment proposed by Congress after assassination of President John F. Kennedy provides the procedures for replacing the President or Vice President in event of death, removal, resignation, or incapacitation. The Watergate scandal of the 1970s saw the application of those procedures. First, when Gerald Ford replaced Spiro Agnew as Vice President, then when he replaced Richard Nixon as President, and then when Nelson Rockefeller filled the resulting vacancy to become the Vice President. How does it work? In simple terms, only the Vice President can invoke the amendment. The Vice President must do so in conjunction with either a majority of the heads of his cabinet as designated by Congress. Once they decide to invoke it, they send a statement to the Senate pro tempore declaring that they find the President unable to discharge the powers and do. Thank you very much for watching. Here is the list of all the 26 amendments to the United States Constitutions.
Please subscribe to the channel, put your thumbs up, and then put your thumbs up next day, put your thumbs up now, and make stay.